Welcome, in front of me is the Axon 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, simply hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And up on the device, power off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of them at the same time, till you see the ZTE logo. And you can see that we're now in recovery mode. So from here, whatever you want to select, you will just simply tap on it as you would normally do. And you can, reboot the system, which just goes back to Android, wipe data, which gives you the option to format the device, power it off, self-explanatory option, and advanced options, which can go in. And you can see you can do updates from either SD card or ATB, mount system, view recovery logs, and go back to previous page. So I'm just going to simply leave this mode by selecting reboot system, and like I said, this will go back to Android now. And you can see that we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.